Hey guys, what is up? We're back with another video. As you can see, we have a cracked screen and we're gonna be showing you how to fix it for free. How to fix it for free, yeah, before you take it to the Apple store. So, I'm gonna grab the phone.
Don't break it all the way yet.
I'm gonna shoot at. So, you have a basketball rim, yeah? Just like that. As you can see, the screen fixed a little bit, just little by little, yeah. And then you just want to... that's the first part. And then, for the next step, yeah, gotta grab the repair hammer. Gotta grab the repair hammer, as you can see here. You just wanna, just a little bit, not too much, because it might break the phone. Just like that. There we go. Final step. You just wanna...
For the next step, to actually get all the parts and pieces out of the phone, so you can replace the screen, you just need to throw it off something very high.
There we go. Alright guys. Even more, yeah, you just
Dry it off a little bit, just a little drying.
That's it. Just like that. And as you can see, the phone works perfectly well. Green out. You just want to let it sit to dry after you get the wetness. So where'd the screen go? Where'd the screen go? Then you're gonna grab your perfectly good screen. After it's all repaired, after the repair hammer, you just want to lay it on there, just a little bit. Let it sit for like 10 seconds, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, then you're gonna grab the phone and you wanna go for another basketball shot. Just like that. And there you go guys. As you can see, just wanna put it on the ground. Just like that. And as you can see, the screen is coming off just a bit, but it's okay. You know how to fix it. You're just gonna grab your little baseball bat just to repair a little bit more. Just wanna hit it like this, just like that. And then for extra protection on your phone, you wanna hit over in your garage, yeah? And you're gonna grab that C. What's a good tool for repairing phones? Let's see here. Someone, you need just a little bit of water to clean it off. Okay.
The screen is...
Yeah, you want the screen completely off. And you just want to add a little bit of water to it just to clean that boy off so it's not too dirty during the repair. Just want to add just a little bit of water. Just a tad. Just like that. Alright, once that's done, you just want to soak it in. Just let it sit there and soak. And a hammer might help a bit. After you gotta do that, the phone's gonna be too dry. So you just wanna add a little bit of water. Alright guys, so can I see the phone? I see the phone. That's really good repairing work. Let me see it, mate. Alright guys, so now you wanna get everything out of the phone, as you can see. So we're gonna grab it like this. It's perfectly fine. And for the last and final step, after you got all the parts off, you wanna put it on top of some rocks and you wanna bury it. This is the repair. Alright, just like that. What we've done, we've taken out literally every single part in the iPhone, and we took out the glass and everything. So after you do that, you want to place it back. You want to place all the parts right there, just the screen. And basically, what should happen is, if you just place it on the ground and do it with a little bit of rock again, just like so. Then what you want to do is, you just want to wait 1 sec. So after you do that, you just want to wait like a couple of days. Yeah. Is how much days? 2 days later. And we're gonna check back in the pile. And there we go. The phone's just a little bit dusty.
Just give it a little wipe. It's brand new, as you can see.
Yeah, as you can see, the
brand new phone.
The old one isn't in there or anything. This is the complete same one. So yeah, guys, that's the video. See you guys in the next one. Da da na 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 na.